Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I would like to discover these letter openers with you. There is actually 3 come in a package, and what I really like, they're not sharp as your regular knife, right? So you're not necessarily going to cut yourself, but it is actually perfect for opening up packages, right? So again, it is sharp enough to do that, and depending on the packaging that you are about to open, I feel like it is very important to find a knife that is actually going to do an easy job with just a few moves. And yes, also I really like the handle. It's almost rubber like, so that's definitely makes a great difference. And yes guys, so again it gives you this clean cut, and the box is opened with ease. How cool is that? Absolutely love it.